Everyone, I am Master Tatiana, your intuitive numerologist. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. So we are still in January. The collective message for us all, with the understanding that this is the universal year 6, is responsibility. And this is truly a blessing to receive this message for us all. And the reason for this is because responsibility is what allows you to see yourself, okay? And so we know that the start of this year carried a strong introspective vibration, which is 7, right? That 7 vibration for January. And this is the time for us to really reflect on how we view responsibility, okay? How have we been moving in our lives with responsibility? Has we been seeing it as a burden? Had we been seeing it as a gift? Or as we've been seeing this as an opportunity? Well, I'm here to tell you guys that if you see it as a gift, an opportunity, this is going to really help you elevate in whatever personal year you are currently in, okay? Really seizing the moment and allowing yourself to be present within the responsibility. It's going to allow you to really grow and evolve in ways that you couldn't even imagine, okay? You couldn't even imagine. So really, for everyone, please own this phrase, responsibility, and whatever is thrown your way, really choose to take it. It is yours. It's your opportunity. All of our conditions, all of our programmings that we have collected through lifetimes, through generations, and through now, it's for us to rise. It's for us to grow. And I know it hurts. I know it feels heavy, but I'm here to tell you that you're not alone. In this universal year, you are going to meet more like-minded individuals, okay? So what does that mean? That means that you do need to be mindful of the mindset that you're carrying, right? Because you're going to be meeting people like you a lot more, right? So if you are ready to really start changing your mindset, really start evolving and stepping into what you were always destined to do, you're going to meet souls that are going to be in that same frequency, in that same vibration, right? If you're still a victim and very needy, and you still need mommy, and you still need to be under mommy's skirt, I'm sorry, but I have to be very honest with you all, because it's going to help you really grow. You are also going to meet just that, right? So I meet so many beautiful souls that they complain about the people that they have around them, but they have a hard time seeing themselves in the people that are around them. So is taking responsibility for that is very difficult for many of us, right? So this month, in this introspective month, just review and see how you've been taking responsibility. Have you been allowing yourself to own what the position that you're in? And if it's a work position, it's a personal position, it's a personal development position, really allow people to be your mirror. And this is what this month is guiding us as, you know, to welcome the space to see everyone as you. So one exercise that I will recommend for everyone to do is that if you see someone that is a bit annoying or a bit pushing your buttons, right, just repeat this phrase. Very simple phrase, and the phrase is, just like me. Just like me. If they're complaining, just like me. Even if you feel like you're not a complainer, just like me. If your mother or father is angry, just like me. Just like me. Right? So as you're taking this in, it helps to cut judgment. Because see, judgment activates the thinking, and then thinking stops the flow of energy through your body, okay? And when there is a lack of energy flowing through your body, that means we have poor circulation, and we have poor circulation, our health begins to decline, our immunity gets weakened, and when our immunity gets weakened, anything could come in and take over, and then you start thinking something's wrong with you. But the truth is that you allow yourself to soak in into a judgment space, and of course this judgment space was created through past experiences. So just know that. So when you say just like me, and especially if you're doing it with someone that's annoying you, it naturally stops you from that judgment space. So give it a try. Let me know how that worked out for you. I hope that it was rewarding for you to receive this. Really reflect on yourself, how you've been looking at people, and today choose to look at people from another angle. And just like me, I love you guys. Leaving you guys with that. I love you guys. Just like you, just like me, you guys are me. I love you guys. So give it a try. Let me know how it will work out. I love you. Be well. Thank you for subscribing. Until next video. Bye.